Hello, welcome to Pins and Patterns. In this video, we are going to make this beautiful Roma blouse. This blouse comes in two different lengths for women and it's also available in kids sizing. To make the blouse, you will need your fabric, bias tape, some elastic, buttons, and the patterns for this blouse that you can purchase from our website. Let's start with the front bodice pieces. Place the right sides facing each other. Attach them together starting from the notch marking down to the hem. Lock your stitches at the notch as you start. Flatten the seam. Fold the seam allowance inwards. And stitch these two sides down. Now place the front and the back pieces together, right sides facing each other. Stitch the shoulders. Overlock these seams. Iron the shoulder seams. Now let's finish the neckline with the bias binding. Fold the end of your tape as shown and place it on the right side of the fabric. Stitch all around the neckline. Fold the tape as you finish the seam. Fold the bias tape onto the other side of the bodice and iron. Now stitch the tape down. Let's also finish the armholes with bias binding. Place the tape onto the armholes with the right side of the bodice upwards. Fold the bias tape onto the other side of the bodice and iron. Stitch along the curve. With the right sides of the bodice inwards, attach the side seams. Overlock these seams. To avoid the overlock from unraveling, tuck the threads backwards and give a lock stitch. You could also give a small tack at the underarms to hold the side seams down. Double fold and iron the hemline. Stitch all around. Cut a small piece of the elastic to form the loop. Slip the loop into the bias binding and stitch it down vertically to hold it in place. Sew the button. And your blouse is ready. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then give this video a like and do check out my other tutorials on this channel as well. I will see you all again very soon in another video. Until then, take care. Bye.